Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. Here's a description of a minimalist living room designed in a serene cream white palette, featuring modern furniture and rounded arched doorways. Color scheme: creamy canvas. The room sets the stage with a backdrop of creamy white walls and ceiling. This neutral color creates a sense of spaciousness, light, and airiness, perfectly suited for a minimalist aesthetic. Furniture finesse: modern lines. The furniture is meticulously chosen for its clean lines and simple forms. Sleek sofas and armchairs in light-colored fabric or textured leather offer comfort without visual clutter. Coffee tables with glass tops or minimalist metal bases complement the airy feel. Functionality first: every piece serves a purpose. Avoiding unnecessary decorative elements. Built-in shelving in the same creamy white shade seamlessly integrates into the walls, providing storage without sacrificing minimalism. Architectural accents: arched elegance. Rounded arched doorways add a touch of architectural interest and softness to the straight lines of the furniture. This design element creates a sense of flow and visual intrigue. Consider painting the archways in the same creamy white as the walls for a seamless look, or opt for a subtle accent color for a touch of personality. Textural touches: simple sophistication. While the color palette remains neutral, the room comes alive with various textures. Soft rugs with geometric patterns or natural fibers ground the space, adding warmth and visual interest. Throw pillows with contrasting textures like velvet or linen add a touch of comfort and personality on the sofas. Natural elements: woven baskets, wooden accents on side tables, or a potted orchid on a sleek console table bring a touch of nature indoors, adding warmth and a sense of balance to the minimalist design. Lighting design: layered ambience. The lighting strategy complements the clean lines of the furniture and arched doorways. Floor lamps with sleek bases and simple shades provide task lighting in designated areas. Pendant lights with minimalist designs hung strategically over the coffee table or dining area create a focal point. Consider recessed lighting for general illumination, keeping the ceiling clutter-free. Overall impression: this minimalist living room in creamy white with modern furniture and rounded arched doorways creates a serene and sophisticated haven. The clean lines, simple forms, and neutral color palette evoke a sense of calmness and spaciousness. The carefully chosen textural elements and natural accents add warmth and personality, making the space both minimalist and inviting. It's a perfect example of how minimalism can create a beautiful and functional living environment. Here are some compelling reasons to consider a minimalist living room design in cream white with modern furniture and rounded arched doorways. Aesthetics: serene and spacious. The cream white color palette creates a sense of openness and airiness, making even a small living room feel larger and brighter. It's a perfect choice for promoting a sense of calm and tranquility in your living space. Modern appeal: the clean lines of modern furniture and the softness of rounded arched doorways create a visually appealing and contemporary space. It's a timeless design that won't go out of style quickly. Versatility: the neutral color scheme acts as a blank canvas, allowing you to easily add pops of color or personality with artwork. Throw pillows, or accent pieces. This makes it easy to adapt the room's look to your personal style over time. Functionality: clean lines, easy cleaning. Minimalist design with clean lines means less clutter and dust to accumulate. This makes cleaning and maintaining the living room a breeze. Flexibility and flow: the rounded arched doorways create a sense of visual flow throughout the space, making it feel more open and inviting. This is especially beneficial in open floor plan layouts. Focus on functionality: every piece of furniture serves a purpose, maximizing space utilization and avoiding unnecessary clutter. This is ideal for smaller living spaces or those who prefer a clutter-free environment. Lifestyle benefits: promotes relaxation. The clean lines and neutral colors create a calming and serene atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. reduces stress. Minimalist design can help to reduce visual clutter and mental clutter, promoting a sense of peace and well-being. Highlights art and decor. The neutral backdrop allows your favorite artwork, sculptures, or statement furniture pieces to take center stage. Additional considerations. Lighting design. A well-planned lighting scheme is crucial in a minimalist space. Consider layering ambient light with task lighting, accent lighting to create different moods and highlight specific areas. Quality over quantity. Investing in high-quality, well-made furniture will ensure it lasts longer and complements the minimalist aesthetic. Personal touches. While minimalism emphasizes clean lines, don't be afraid to incorporate personal touches that reflect your style. This could be through artwork, unique lighting fixtures, or treasured family heirlooms displayed tastefully. A minimalist living room in cream white with modern furniture and rounded arched doorways offers a perfect blend of aesthetics and functionality. It creates a serene, spacious, and modern living environment that promotes relaxation and reduces stress. It's a versatile design that can be easily adapted to your personal style and provides a great foundation for creating a beautiful and inviting living space. Here's a roadmap to get you started on designing your minimalist haven in creamy white with modern furniture and a touch of elegance from rounded arched doorways. 1. Assess your space. Measure up, grab a tape measure and sketch a layout of your living room. Include the dimensions of the walls, doorways, windows, and any existing architectural features. This will help you determine furniture placement and ensure everything fits comfortably. Identify focal points. Decide where your eye will naturally be drawn upon entering the room. This could be a fireplace, a large window, or a piece of artwork. Consider this when arranging furniture and placing lighting. 2. Planning your walls and doors. Creamy canvas. Paint your walls and ceiling in a creamy white shade. Flat paint finishes are ideal for a minimalist look, as they minimize imperfections and create a smooth, clean aesthetic. Arched elegance. Consider your existing doorways. If they are not already arched, explore options for creating rounded archways. This can be achieved through framing or molding techniques. If renovations aren't feasible, focus on highlighting the existing doorways with a fresh coat of paint in the same creamy white as the walls. 3. Selecting furniture. Less is more. Start with a core set of furniture pieces you truly need: a sofa, 1 or 2 armchairs, and a coffee table. Opt for clean lines, simple shapes, and functionality. Consider modular furniture that can be easily reconfigured for flexibility. Material matters. Choose furniture materials that complement the creamy white walls. Light-colored fabric, textured leather, or sleek metal frames all work well. Avoid overly patterned upholstery or bulky furniture that overpowers the space. Storage solutions. Incorporate built-in shelving or cabinets in the same creamy white shade as the walls for storage. This helps minimize visual clutter and maintain the minimalist aesthetic. 4. Lighting for ambience. Layered approach. Plan your lighting scheme with multiple layers. Utilize recessed lighting for general illumination, keeping the ceiling clutter-free. Floor lamps with sleek bases and simple shades provide task lighting in designated areas like reading nooks. Pendant power. Consider hanging minimalist pendant lights strategically over the coffee table or dining area, if incorporated, to create focal points and add visual interest. Warm glow. Opt for warm white LED bulbs throughout the room to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. 5. Adding texture and personality. Rugs that ground. Select a rug with a simple geometric pattern or natural fibers like wool or jute. This will add warmth, texture, and define the seating area. Opt for a size that fits comfortably under the front legs of your sofa and armchairs. Artful touches. Hang artwork or sculptures that speak to you on the creamy white walls. Choose pieces that complement the minimalist aesthetic, focusing on clean lines and simple colors. Pops of color. Optional. While minimalism emphasizes neutral tones, you can introduce pops of color with throw pillows on the sofa, a statement vase, or a unique lighting fixture. Bonus tips. Inspiration boards. gather inspiration by creating a mood board on Pinterest or flipping through design magazines. Focus on minimalist living rooms with creamy white color palettes. Modern furniture and arched doorways. Start small, don't overwhelm yourself. Begin with a few key elements like painting the walls, acquiring a statement sofa, and adding a textured rug. Gradually add more furniture, artwork, and decorative touches over time. Declutter ruthlessly. Minimalism thrives on less. Donate or sell items you no longer need or use. This will free up space and contribute to the clean and uncluttered aesthetic. Seek professional help. Optional. Consider consulting an interior designer, especially if you have a large space or a complex layout. They can provide valuable advice on furniture selection, layout optimization, and incorporating the rounded archway element seamlessly. Remember, this is your personal sanctuary. Enjoy the process of creating a minimalist living room that reflects your style and promotes a sense of calm and well-being. Breathe life into the space with carefully chosen textures, pops of color, if desired, and personal touches that bring you joy. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.